Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to sort data alphabetically in Excel. Open your Excel file to see the data you want to sort. After that, select the cells with the data. There, from the Home menu in the Editing group, click on the option Sort and Filter. You can choose whether to sort in ascending or descending order. Click on the desired option and you will see the change automatically in your file. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.